Hello, I'm CG Yin. This is our quick video to show how to make a glowing outline in Photopea. Photopea is a free online photo editor. We can go to this website to use Photopea for free. Now we can click Start using Photopea, and then I go to my file folder. I drag and drop an image into Photopea to open the image. Next, we can make a selection first. I will use a rectangle tool to make a rectangle selection. And then we can use magic wand and use Alt to subtract the selection. And close up to it. This is too much. We can add the selection, use lasso tool and shift and click and drag to add the subtraction. And I make it rough and I adjust the selection, something like this. And then press Ctrl 0 to view fix. After select the man, we can go to Layers window and then go to Adjustment layer. Add a new adjustment layer, choose Color Fill. And I pick white color and press OK to apply. Next, we can double click the color fill to open layer style. And then we can put it here and press Shift and with the mouse button to move image here. And next we can go to blend options to fill with 0% and add the stroke. I check the box stroke, select it, and I choose white color. And we can increase the size of stroke. I increase it to 8 and press OK to apply it. And then we can go back to Layers window and right click on color fill and choose Convert to a Smart Object. And double click on the Smart Object. And then we can find Layer Style and then go to Outer Glow. We can check the box to add Outer Glow. For example, I choose the pink color. And we can increase the size. And we can increase spread. And I think the size is too much. And we can change the opacity, and also we can fill the white color. If we want to fill with white color, we can use inner glow and change its color. I pick pink again and switch blend mode to normal. And so we can adjust the inner glow with the size. I pick 5. So this is how we can add glowing outline in Photopea. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Yin. See you in the next video.